This is a 255 horsepower engine. It has 252 foot-pounds of torque. It is not the same engine that's in a Pilot. This transmission was also specifically developed for this vehicle. It's, again, a vehicle designed to tow and work as a truck from the ground up. One of the other features we try to incorporate this is to communicate a very strong and powerful emotional sound to the customer. So we've tuned both the intake and the exhaust system to provide good sound output during launch, not only inside the cabin but outside the cabin. You'll find a little bit different character with this vehicle compared to the Pilot or MDX. You'll get a little bit more emotional sound and feedback, providing you a sensation that you're actually using and developing that torque that we worked so hard to create during the launch experience. We also tried to work very hardly tuning the launch in terms of good flat ride, good feeling, also good throttle response and shift quality during that launch. Again, to provide at a wide open throttle condition a very strong and powerful experience to the driver. One of the unique features incorporated in the engine, again this is specifically developed for towing duty, is we've incorporated a switch valve into the intake manifold. So at about 4,200 RPM this valve will actually switch. It's a valve located back here. It changes and stages the air differently in the intake during RPM conditions where we want to try to boost or cram more air into the engine using the Helmholtz effect to provide improved torque throughout the RPM range. As I had indicated, one of the strong features that we incorporated into the design of this vehicle is towing. One another patent areas we've developed for the car is an outside air intake to allow cool air to get into the engine, which permits maximum torque available during high temperature conditions for towing. For example, large or heavy duty boat in a boat ramp. So the airflow is intended to come into the grill, out through these outlets, which is trapped between these two seals. That applies or allows for a lateral flow, and then cleaner air gets up into the air intake, and cooler air is allowed to enter the engine, giving you a maximum torque during launch with a towing condition.